know me, I like to make myself comfortable and I like to work comfortable. So what I did, I make a bench for myself here. Let me show you. Guys, welcome back to Heavy Duty Life. As you guys can see, I'm already way deep into this job. I wasn't really gonna do this job, video this job. I wasn't gonna document this one, but when I started it, I instantly regret it because it's beautiful. Like, I mean, this video is all just to show you the site, you know, just show you how beautiful this job site is, you know. This is a resort I'm working at right now, and I'm stripping this land. I'm stripping this land for some more villas to go here. So this material here, you see it's very nasty. It's basically a lot of roots, a lot of rocks, you know, a lot of loose stuff, and people can't build a house on this, you know. They can't build on this. So they brought us in here to basically strip the land, clear the bushes, strip the land, and I would have to load it up in the truck afterwards. But I feel guilty for not, you know, getting it from the start, for you to see the transformation, you know, from when I started to now. But just take this video with a little pinch of salt and just appreciate the sight with me, you know, the looks of it, you know, how beautiful it is. So it's just gonna be short. I still hope you enjoy it. It's not, I'm gonna explain it to you. I'm gonna talk how I went about it, you know. But I feel really guilty for not catching it from the beginning, because I'm a long way into it already. I'm a good way into it. So yes, so basically the land here is very unlevel. As you can see, I'm working on the edge of a hill. It's really, it runs right down. It's like let me spin the machine so you can see. Like, oh, these guys, these are my water guys, because it have a couple of villas up there. When I started stripping the land, the dust was just flying all over the place. It was the dust was airborne, and the neighbors started complaining. So this was the solution to the problem. We get guys just wetting the material as I work all the time. They're gonna follow me wherever I go. So yeah, the land is like it just run down, go uphill, and then it go down back hill, and it falls off pretty steep very fast as well, you know. So you know me, I like to make myself comfortable and I like to work comfortable. So what I did, I make a bench for myself here. Let me show you. I make a bench, and because I can't spin and roll the stuff, because of the dust, I gotta drag. So it's a quite slow process. Plus I gotta pick out all the big boulders, and I gotta put them to a side because the resort want to use them back. decoration. So what I did, I made a bench, level myself out nice, like I tell you guys in previous videos, in the rock cutting videos. Guys, if you haven't seen that one, just check in my link description, and you'll see me cutting a wall, you know, for a house foundation. It's quite a fun video as well. You should check it out, definitely. And yeah, so I leveled myself out really nice so I could work flat, because if not, I would be like this. I would be like really slope and be at the edge of my seat straight through. Probably the machine would have slide a couple times with the water on the hill. So once these guys spraying water and I'm working and I'm dragging, I can slide straight down there, and it's pretty steep. So I made a big bench. Let me pick up a load so you can see it again. I make a bench, and I'm just walking back. I'm just dragging the stuff because I can't really spin. Like the amount of dust that comes with it. Watch that. Like normally my way I would have spin and throw it, you know, and I might have moved a little faster. So I make this bench, and that, keep in mind, this is a big heap. This is like probably, like, let's say 18 feet off the ground, like I'm reckoning. Yeah, 18 or 20 feet off the ground I am at right now. Like as you can see down there, that is really low. Like all of this is just a hill running down. Like if you notice, you see that's the top of a house there. That's the top of a house. I'm really up in the air here. So if you could see all here. So this is the process. I'm just gonna keep pulling, you know, but I really wanted to show you guys the view and you know, the size of this job, you know. So just bear with me. I will bring nice more nice contents in the coming months and weeks and years and whatever. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. You know, I appreciate every comment in the comment section, and I try my best to respond to each of them as much as possible. You know, means a lot to me when you subscribe. You know, my videos could reach more people. A lot of people could get to see and appreciate what this channel have to offer. So thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for supporting this channel and helping me grow. I appreciate you on the journey with me. So I'm gonna stop talking now, and I'm gonna let you just watch a little bit of me working. Hope you enjoy the view with me, you know. It's like I'm working and I have a ocean day as well, a beach day, you know. It's pretty nice. That's why I love what I do. So guys, just enjoy the video. So guys, like I said, I want to just like I said, just take this video with a pinch of salt, you know. This is not the best video ever, but I just wanted to show the view and, you know, how beautiful this place is. Yeah, but instead of this video you getting to see every single thing I do to get it done and wrapped up, I couldn't get to film it because I was really busy. It's not even an excuse, but I got more videos coming soon that I gotta make for you guys, and I know you guys gonna enjoy it. Shout out to everybody in my comment sections, you know. Appreciate the support, guys. I really appreciate the support. Thanks for all the shout outs. So yeah, this job that I'm on, you know, it's been a couple days now since I'm here, and it's been a lot of work. Like, as you can see, that whole land there, that entire land is stripped of everything that is rooty, trees, topsoil, rocks, and I just been going through the process of separating the rocks from the stuff. This is the last set, and they tell me let me mix the bushes with the stuff. So I'm now loading it up, and that would be it. So yeah, yeah, this is what the site is looking like right now. All of these rocks is from what I sifted out from the whole land. This is like a couple acres, probably three acres, I think. But yeah, so like I said, this video, just take it with a little pinch of salt, and yeah. Don't hit the dozer, man. These truck guys, these guys is oh, let's get too much rocks. These guys is be really mad when you make them reverse in tight places. You find something soft to put in. watching what you're doing. Reverse and you go on the dozer blade. Blow the whole tire. There's a problem that we get here a lot. Our problem here is that the guys them don't know how to reverse. Like, reversing is such a big challenge to people with trucks. Like, oh my gosh, it's hard for them to reverse. Reverse and reverse the right way. It's just beat them up. Sometimes I think it's your attitude though. Like, some people show up to a job and they watch me, they gotta reverse, and then they just get angry. Oh, the place not this, the place not that. And the next thing you know, they reverse, they hit the truck, they blow something. Sometimes it's nice to just always keep calm and just give it a try. Before you just look at it and be like, oh, this, da 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 da, Sometimes your attitude is just make your own day go bad. So sometimes it's just nice to stay quiet and just give it a try. Guys, you see what I'm talking about? Woo! These truck drivers, man. Come, my friend, you can do it. You can do it. Look at my bucket and go to the middle of it. My friend, you could do it. Throw wrong now. Next way, next way. Next way. Oh my goodness. Come, 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 come. Come, come. So guys, this is the last truck for the day, and this job would have to continue tomorrow. And this is basically the same thing I would have to be doing, just loading up, and that would just finish the job off. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment in the comment section if you find anything interesting. Thank you for supporting this channel.
really appreciate you guys. Just look out for the next video. It will be coming soon. Just stay tuned, and I hope you learned something from it. Like I say, this video is just a update, just to show you what's going on, show you a little bit of this job, and I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, until the next video, thanks for watching.